What's going on, guys? It's ChaosHunta here. Today I'm back with a new unboxing video with this Choetech fast wireless charging stand, and it's a 2-pack one. And yeah, let's get into unboxing it. So it's a 10-watt one, so it's fast but not very fast. But yeah, let's just get this opened up. So you get 2 wires. It's not Type-C, but probably when they were making it wasn't Type-C, because Type-C is very new. So here's one of them, here's the second one, and then in the box you just get something like this. I don't know what it is. You get 18-month warranty and the user manual. So let's just put all of this stuff on the side and unbox one of these. So guys, this is what it would look like, and guys, the packaging as well is quite good. So it is also quite cheap for 2 of them especially, and this company is quite popular if you search up for wireless charging pad, and obviously is the cable. So I'll just quickly show you with my phone how it would look. So guys, I've got my phone, and now let's just put it on charge. So guys, as you can see now it's on charge, and it has a green light to indicate it's on charge. So only the Samsung phones can support 10 watt on this, but iPhones can't. iPhone will support 7.5 watts, and like Huawei and Pixel phones will only support 5 watts. So as a Samsung user, I'll get fast charging, as this is a fast charging stand. And yeah, overall to me it's quite good, but let's go and move on to the pros and cons now. So guys, moving on to the pros and cons. First of all, it's quite cheap for the price, because you get 2 of them, and it's also priced at $22.99. One thing I do wish for, if they had sockets, but that'll probably make it a bit more expensive. But the good thing is it's fast charging, and I can put it either way. So it will charge. So you can either put it this way and it will charge, or this way. And for me it supports 10 watts, so that's very good for me. And yeah, it's a wireless charger, there's not that much to talk about. And guys, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you on